Guys, yung client ko, kumuha ng plan sa akin last 2 years ago. So, ang kinuha niya last 2 years ago was Sunfit and Well with 2 million coverage. And just last June 10, nagkaroon siya ng chest pain and nagpa-second opinion siya dito sa heart center kung saan ako nandito ngayon. Ayan. We're about to see the doctor and the client. So yun guys, we're here at the heart center to process his minor critical illness claims due to angioplasty. And I just want to emphasize and share na in choosing an insurance plan, it's also equally important to choose your insurance advisor. You have to make sure din kasi na kaya kanyang abutin in times of claims para maging madali din yung proseso para sa'yo. Sinettle namin lahat ng papel na kailangan namin isubmit kay Sun Life. Then hopefully by the end of this month, ma-release yung aming claim with about 400,000 pesos or more pa. Just happy to share and to serve my client. Guys, tapos na tayong magpapirma sa doktor at sa pasyente. It's potato corner time.